Hello everyone, Jonathan Schlack, EAS&Weather here. I'm here with another update because we now have two new slight risk areas that have been added by the Storm Prediction Center as of the midday update. And I'm going to go over them here in this video. First, I'm starting off with the Mid-Atlantic, where we now have a slight risk that encompasses far southern New Jersey, much of Delaware, southeastern Maryland, eastern Virginia, and northeastern North Carolina. That is where we now have a slight risk for severe storms. And we have another slight risk that encompasses parts of the eastern peninsula of Florida. So we have a new slight risk there too. And the slight risk for the eastern panhandle of Texas and western Oklahoma, that has not changed. So those areas there have not changed. And the tornado threat is still below 2% in all areas. And the wind threat is increased in parts of the Mid-Atlantic and parts of Florida. So there is now a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour or higher in parts of southern New Jersey, far southern New Jersey, most of Delaware, southeastern Maryland, eastern Virginia, and northeastern North Carolina. That is where we now have a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour or higher. And there's a 5% surrounding it, in other areas, And moving further south, there is now a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour or higher in parts of the eastern Florida peninsula, where again, 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour or higher, and there's a 5% surrounding that. And the wind risk for the panhandle of Texas and western Oklahoma has not changed either. And the hail threat for, again, panhandle of Texas and western Oklahoma has not changed there either. We did see an increase in the hail threat for 1 inch in diameter or larger across the eastern peninsula of Florida. There is now a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger in parts of the eastern peninsula of Florida, with a 5% surrounding that. And still no hail threat in the Mid-Atlantic and Northeast. At least large hail, anyway. Wouldn't be surprised to see some small hail, but strong to potentially damaging wind gusts will be the concern for these areas that I'm zooming in on. I don't really expect hail in these areas. But, parts of Oklahoma and the panhandle of Texas and Florida, I would expect hail. But anyway, going over to the summary, scattered severe thunderstorms are possible this afternoon into the early evening for parts of the Mid-Atlantic states due to 50 to 65 mile per hour damaging gusts. And scattered severe thunderstorms are also possible over the eastern half of the Florida Scattered severe thunderstorms are also possible over the eastern half of the Florida peninsula and parts of western Oklahoma and the Texas panhandle. Large hail, 1 to 1.75 inches in diameter, and severe gusts of 60 to 70 miles per hour will be the hazards with the stronger thunderstorms again. The hail is going to be across western Oklahoma and the panhandle of Texas and Florida. Those are the areas that have the highest threat for hail. Mid-Atlantic and Northeast again, damaging wind gusts will be the primary. And there could also be some damaging wind gusts in parts of Florida, western Oklahoma, and the Texas panhandle. Anyway, I just wanted to give you that update. Stay safe in the affected areas today. And pay attention to the weather and the National Weather Service forecasts for later updates and possible warnings. Take care.